How to screenshot on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this works on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, and iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you want to take a screenshot on your iPhone 12, maybe you're on a web page or a particular website where the information is valuable, and I want to take the screenshot, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So let's say you just went ahead and visit a particular website. Let's say this particular website, and now you want to take a screenshot on this page. Let me show you how to do it. The first thing you want to do when you want to take a screenshot is just press the side button and then the volume up button together on your phone. Then you hear the screenshot sound. Once you hear the screenshot sound, then this is going to be the screenshot. Now the thing is this. If you want to take a screenshot on your iPhone 12, you can take a static page or take a full screenshot on your iPhone 12. So press the side button and then the volume up button together at the same time. Then click on it. Then this is your screenshot. However, to take a full screenshot on your iPhone 12, click on full page and then drag this downward. Until you get to the end of this page, you want to take the screenshot. Then after that, click on done at the top left. Then save to photos. Now, if you go back to your Photos app on your iPhone 12, then in the Photos app, just scroll down until you get to Media Type and Utilities. So check either Media Type and Utilities where you see Screenshot and then click on it. Then you're going to see the screenshot like this. So you're going to have access to the screenshots you took right on your iPhone 12. So these are all my screenshots I took using this approach. So whether you take full screenshot or not, then you can easily have access to the screenshot you took on your iPhone. You see that? So that is basically how to take screenshot on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.